This is Austin's. You're in the picture. This is Austin's 4th birthday. Happy birthday, sweetheart. You want to open up presents? Go ahead.
What is it?
I think you have to open it to figure out what it is. What do you think? Oh, I think your brother wants to help you.
Wow!
What is it?
Wow!
What is it?
Him.
Who's him? Mac. Awesome. Open up your next one.
Remember you said you wanted that one too.
Whoa.
A big one. Hey, you're getting kind of close to me. Why are you so close to me?
Oh, open it. This one doesn't have a card inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, he's got enough.
But it says you open it up and there's cargo inside.
Yeah.
Oh, it's recycled batteries are in there.
Oh. Let's see, brother wants to help.
Oh.
Legos? Cool, you can build all kinds of stuff with that one, huh?
Wow.
Wow. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Brother wants some presents. He's going to do a face plant, you watch.
Wow.
What is it? Oh, it's a case for your
Put
Bakugan.
them in there. We got them
There's a
all.
Bakugan in there, too.
Yeah.
Oh, is there one?
Mm-hmm. Comes with one.
Neato.
Uh-oh. Here goes brother. It's not your birthday, brother.
Smile, Austin.
Puzzle.
A puzzle?
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetheart. I get a hug. Mwah. Daddy bought
I
it
would
for you,
take a
too.
picture, but Mommy didn't put her shorts on. Smile, Austin.
Still.
Smile, Daddy.
His eyes look down. Yeah. Another puzzle?
Holy smokes.
Wow, those will be fun to build, huh?
Yeah.
One more. It's a big one.
Wow.
What is it?
Big picture.
Oh my gosh, you got one too, huh? Wow.
Show it to Daddy.
That ought to be so much fun.
Yeah.
Let's see how many guys we can jam in there. Everybody goes for a ride now, huh, Austin?
Galactic Heroes. All
Look.
right.
Here, try it. Like this. And put your little, Austin, put your little head right up here.
His little head. He doesn't know where to
Stand right
go.
behind it.